If your back hurts after sitting all day, your chair might be the real problem. Now imagine sitting 8 hours every single day on the wrong chair, slowly damaging your posture without even realizing it. But what if one chair could actually fix that? Hello everyone. Today we are going to check out the Sihoo C300 Ergonomic office chair. This chair is designed specifically for people who spend long hours working at a desk. According to the manufacturer, it offers advanced lumbar support, breathable mesh material, multiple adjustment options, and a design that adapts to your body posture automatically. In this video, we will go through everything step by step. First, we will unbox the chair, then we will assemble and install it. After that, we will explore all the important features, and finally, I will give you my honest verdict about whether this chair is worth buying or not. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first, let's unbox this chair and see what we get inside. After opening it up, the first components we see are the leg support bars that provide stability on the ground. Next, we find the armrest brackets, 2 of them. Along with that, we also get the master cylinder. On one side, we have the left and right armrests. Removing the top cover reveals the backrest with built-in lumbar support, followed by the mesh seat base. Both the seat and backrest use a mesh design, which is supported by a plastic frame to prevent tearing. Inside additional boxes, we find the headrest, the tilt mechanism, and a complete set of screws and tools, including a T-handle and Allen key. Now let's start assembling the chair. First, we take the base and attach the 5 leg extensions. Next, we attach the casters, wheels. This is very simple. After installing the wheels, we place the decorative cover back onto the base and insert the master cylinder in the center. Then, we assemble the armrests and brackets. Next, we move on to the seat base and attach the tilt mechanism underneath using 4 screws. After that, we connect the backrest to the seat using longer screws. Once that's done, we attach the armrests to both sides of the backrest and seat structure. Now, we carefully place the entire chair body onto the master cylinder, aligning it properly. Finally, we install the headrest by inserting it into the backrest slot and securing it with screws. We also cover the screws with the provided plastic caps for a clean finish. The chair comes in a sleek black color with a full mesh body. The mesh is dense and durable, providing excellent support. The edges are reinforced with plastic, reducing the risk of tearing. The base and wheels are made of metal, which ensures strong weight support and durability. When sitting on the chair, it provides excellent full body support. The curved design gently hugs your body from all sides. The tilt mechanism allows smooth reclining. When unlocked, the chair tilts back comfortably, and when locked, it stays firmly in position. The armrests are highly adjustable. Up and down, inward and outward rotation, slight forward and backward movement. The headrest offers 3 levels of adjustment, making it suitable for both working and relaxing positions. You can also easily adjust the height using the lever under the seat. One of the best features of this chair is its dynamic lumbar support system. It automatically adjusts based on the pressure applied to your back. You don't need to manually adjust it. It adapts to your posture in real time. Even when you apply pressure, it moves slightly inward and downward, and when you release, it returns to its original position. This makes it perfect for long working hours, and especially beneficial for people with back pain. So after testing and using the Sihoo C300 Ergonomic office chair, what is the final verdict? First of all, the build quality is excellent. The materials feel premium, the mesh is strong, and the structure feels stable. Second, the ergonomic support is impressive. The dynamic lumbar support and adjustable headrest really help maintain a comfortable posture during long sitting sessions. Third, the adjustability options make this chair suitable for different body types and working styles. However, this chair is not exactly a budget option. It falls more into the mid to premium price range. But considering the comfort, build quality, and ergonomic benefits, many people might find it worth the investment. If you spend long hours working at a desk, a good ergonomic chair can significantly improve your comfort and even protect your long-term health. So, in my opinion, the Sihoo C300 is a solid choice for professionals, remote workers, gamers, and content creators who want a comfortable and supportive office chair. So that was our full review of the Sihoo C300L Ergonomic Office Chair. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button because it really helps the channel grow. Also, if you have any questions about this chair, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll try to answer as many as possible. And if you want to see more honest tech reviews, office setup gear, and productivity gadgets, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.